Hello guys, do you want to look like a hacker? So in this video we are going to see how to look like a hacker. So hello guys, welcome to our channel Code Riders. So this one is the part 2 of how to look like a hacker. Part 1 link is in the description. So first we will go on the browser and we will search for hacker typer. After searching, just click enter. You will get this first link. Just click on the link and you can see the terminal gets open. So you can type anything, you can type randomly anything and it will look like that you are hacking something. So this is the one tool. So this one is the other tool which you will get on Docker Hub. So it generally provide a Hollywood style real-time hacking scene. So you can also use it in your terminal, and you can also create a hacking scene like a Hollywood movie, and you can also surprise your friends and family. You can prank them. So now you guys got the trick. So please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Till then, keep riding.